Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the mattress and hub, then plug the hub into power and connect it to your router. Ethernet is most stable. Once connected, open the 8 Sleep app and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. This registers your device and ensures firmware updates happen automatically. Make sure your phone and hub are on the same network and allow Bluetooth when prompted. This initial pairing enables sleep tracking and temperature control, so take a moment to confirm the device shows online. Once done pairing, configure your sleep profile. Set target sleep and wake times, and assign left or right control if you share the bed. This keeps settings personalized. Next, fine-tune temperature zones, small 0. 5 degrees adjustments matter for comfort, so test for a few nights. Enable Smart Heat and Smart Cool to let the system respond to your sleep stage, and turn on sleep stage tracking so the app learns and improves. Make sure to save changes, and run a short calibration session to finish. Run a manual heat-cool test from the app and lie down to confirm both warming and cooling work as expected. Observe sensors registering your presence. If things go wrong, first restart the hub and the app, then check Wi-Fi strength. Weak signal often causes missed data. If sensors still fail or the mattress won't change temperature, record the device ID and contact 8 Sleep support. They can remotely check logs. Meanwhile, keep using manual controls to maintain comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.